Hello, do you know how many angles are in a triangle? Okay, so is it 100, 200, 300, 400? Does it keep going? What number? What are the angles in a triangle? If you don't know, that's great because we're going to teach that today. So, all you need to know is that there are 180 degrees in a triangle, okay? Circles and other shapes, they're different. But for a triangle, it's 180 degrees, okay? And it always adds up to 180. So say if you had 50 degrees here, obviously this is not drawn to scale, so it's not exact measurements, but to give you an idea, if I had 50 here and 50 here, what would be the missing angle here, okay? Yes, it's 80, because together, all of those angles would add up to 180, okay? So remember the questions, if there's ever ones that are missing, all you have to do is add these together and just work out the missing amount, okay? Use this information, play the next game, and we'll see you next one. Bye!